Hello everybody, so today we are going to look at the installation of Glava. So let's open the terminal. So let's make it full screen. Let's zoom a little bit. So now we can do Batman source for Glava. So it would be like this. So it is an open GL audio spectrum visualizer. So what we can do next is to install it. So we could do first let's clear the screen sudo pacman synchronize yes and glava. Let's do enter the password. So let's wait for it to synchronize and update. So installation, so let's do yes. So now we can just do glava. Glava. Let's do enter. So let's wait for it to load. So if I just do it from the launcher, so LA GLAV. So if I just do GLAVA, so so that is how you install the Glava. So thank you guys.